Imagination, that is your creation.
Let's go party.
Do you speak English? Do you speak English?
Yeah, I do, but English isn't.
English is from England.
Even PZ1101 can speak English better than you, and he's not even English.
Look, he's smaller than him because when he jumped in the ocean, all the water went into the atmosphere, something like that. That's what he's talking about to himself.
Like the mum went too.
Like my mum.
Boy, I
Used to have a mum.
Hey, look on our private chat. You're gonna like this.
So, guys, just for context, he said on the next call you'll get smoked. Yeah, what's my friend sending me? Yeah, that is funny. Right. So, always muted himself. So basically, guys, yeah. Peace 1101. Adam Wheeler said he would smoke me in this call. And he's muted himself. Oh, how cute is he? Oh. Adam, why don't you try to take a hit at me without going, without mumbling it, okay? Talk like I'm talking.
Like elbow so. Shut up.
Shut up? Did you say shut up?
It's like a mum.
I look like a mum. One, and absolutely roast this kid. Boy, look at her dancing centipedes with 2 arms. But when Quando didn't saw you, he went like, "What's up, guys? I'm going to run away." Oh! Boy. You say, "I'm going to defeat you, PZ8," when you're flipping just mumbling in the mic like, boy, shut up.
Mum, shut up.
My mum shut up. Boy, at least they have a mum. Your dad left them looking with your weird ass goofy hair, and you look like Uncle Trice. Boy, when you saw dirt, you thought, "Ooh, wow, so beautiful." So,
You're back, mum.
is that all you have? Mum jokes? Wow, you're so 2020. Look at this golden mouse mix of a flipping mixtape. Wow. Oh, ew. Boy. When your dad saw you for the first time, he went, "Mission failed, we'll get the next time." And then your mum and dad went in your room and, should we tell him he's adopted? And then she went to the store next day and sold you on Amazon for 2p for a pack of crisps.
Your mask is ugly.
Boy, your face looks like a chiseled piece of cheese. Boy, your head is uglier than a mask. You flipping idiot. You flipping wear the same mask, you absolute dumb idiot. Boy, you say Adam PZ8 Wheeler when you're actually just a flipping fake PZ8. You smell like cheese. You look like a weirdo.
I could beat you up right now.
Boy, I bet you couldn't even rest a piece of paper. Boy, a piece of paper seems like a 200-kilogram weight to you, but you still can't lift a 20-kilogram weight. When you went to the gym, you couldn't even lift the pencil.
I I can still beat you in your fight. I'm stronger than you think.
You're stronger than I think. But your arm is compared to pencils.
At least I know your mum. You left you give milk.
Boo.
Boy, you got two chips 24/7. Boy has a mic like a potato. Boy, shut up. It's more like an absolutely discombobulated whale.
I didn't know your mum who left you give milk. Oh yeah, for your kids. Oh wait, because you don't have one.
NPC.
Boy, you think you're like signal hail bait when you're actually just a stupid. Boy, you think you're so strong when you can only lift a pencil. Like, your granddad listens to the Giga Chat theme in the shower.
Whoa, whoa, whoa. Boy, at least they have milk. You dip your Oreos into water, same your cookies. But your Oreos look like a discombobulated cheddar cream.